Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be focusing on the D103 Post Filing, specifically what other types of evidence are there. So let's talk about evidence, because evidence is important. It is the stuff that you build your claim with. I was going to make a cute little house reference, but it's kind of, they're the blocks. You know, the glue that holds your blocks together, that would be probably the law. But the blocks that hold the house, up, that would be the evidence. The glue, that would be the law. All right. So let's talk about that. There's medical evidence. This person has severe this, or that, or this person has mild this, or that. There's vocational evidence. When this person worked at my job, he needed these kind of accommodations to sit down every 45 minutes for 5 minutes because he needed a break and he couldn't keep up with other employees due to persistence of pace limitations. Academia. The person was in IEPs, individualized education programs, which basically were working partially, but also not working in these particular areas. And they received a failing grade in this, and therefore had to go ahead and repeat this grade 3 times, and ultimately did not result with a GED or diploma or a diploma equivalent. Let's talk about administrative. Prior time they filed, they got a denial notice. They had properly appealed, but their appeal never reached the SSA agent. However, they have a receipt from when they sent off the appeal documentation to the SSA in reference to a particular person with the attention of that person at the SSA office. So their appeal should have been received in a timely fashion, even though it wasn't. Not due to the error of the claimant, therefore due to the error of the post office, therefore should be allowed to continue their appeal via the 404.911 statute. Next one. We did school. There's anything legal. They had a prior claim. The judge ruled on it. However, the judge did not consider particular medical evidence that was submitted in a timely fashion or was to be allowed, and the judge allowed it thereafter but didn't consider it as part of his opinion. And therefore, we are submitting this at Appeals Council in respect to that so that it can be properly reviewed and yada, yada, yada. Next one. Let's see. Anything can be evidence. A prior SSA form that they filled out. The fact that they were able to hold doors open and open doors when they were going for their medical appointment on behalf of the SSA with the SSA's doctor present. Anything's evidence. Anything. So just keep that in mind, and a lot of times I'll sit there and I'll hear, my employees kind of talking about, well, how are we going to do this? How are we going to do that? How are we going to, we can't do this, can't do that. They don't always sit there and think and figure out the puzzle piece. There's usually a puzzle piece involved here where you can do it, but you have to do some sort of, you got to get it over here, you got to do it this way, yada, yada. There's usually some way to get something done. It's just not always easy. Sometimes you'll have to, figure out a way to make the chess pieces line up so that you can make the killing move. And that's part of this whole process, is figuring out how to properly adjudicate this claim by helping the client out in a zealous fashion. Remember, attorneys, their whole job is to zealously represent their clients. If they're not their clients, good luck to them. That's the bottom line. All right, let's look at that again. What other types of evidence are there? Anything. Anything's evidence. Anything. All right, that's the D103 Post Filing. My name is Attorney Walter Hnot. You have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.